Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're scratching your head over the PE error code on your LG washing machine, especially the 2025 models, don't worry, we've got you covered. This quick guide will help you understand, troubleshoot, and fix the issue in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, what is the PE error? In LG washing machines, PE stands for pressure error, and it usually indicates a problem with the water pressure or the drain pump system. This could mean your machine isn't getting the right amount of water, or there's a blockage preventing proper drainage. It's a common issue that can often be resolved with some simple steps. Now, let's talk about the possible causes. The most frequent culprits include low water pressure from your home supply, a kinked or clogged inlet hose, a dirty filter that's blocking water flow, or even a faulty pressure sensor. Sometimes, it's as easy as an overloaded machine causing imbalance. To fix this, start by checking your water supply. Make sure the faucet connected to your washing machine is fully open and that there's no issue with your household water pressure. Next, inspect the inlet hoses for any kinks, bends, or blockages. Straighten them out if needed. Don't forget to clean the filter. Most LG models have a filter located at the bottom of the machine. Unplug your washer, remove the filter, and rinse away any lint, debris, or buildup. This is a quick step that often solves the problem. If that doesn't work, try resetting your machine. Simply unplug it from the power outlet for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. This can clear temporary glitches. If you're still seeing the PE error after these steps, it might be time to call in a professional technician. They can check for more serious issues like a defective part or electrical problems. There you have it. Simple solutions to get your LG washing machine running smoothly again. Remember, always prioritize safety by unplugging the machine before any repairs. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more handy tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.